Hey everyone, Shannon here with Champaign Agency, going over this week's topic of insurance myths that people still believe. A lot of times we get calls for, can I let someone use my vehicle? They're going to use it to move, they're going to use it, their car's in the shop. Yeah, you can let your friend borrow your car. However, oftentimes people think that the other person's insurance will cover the car if they're involved in an accident with your car. And that's not true. Most of the time, it's your insurance that's going to cover the car while they're driving it. In Michigan, auto insurance usually follows the car first. So if you give someone permission to drive your car and they cause a fender bender, your policy is going to pay primary and it's going to be your deductible and your potential rate impact. An example is your friend rear-ends someone in your SUV. The repair bill is $2,800. You have a $500 collision deductible. You pay $500. Your friend's policy might only step in after your policy limits are used, which in this case isn't likely because it's such a small crash. So one of the things you can do is set your expectations with your friend that you're letting borrow your car before you hand over the keys. Know your collision deductible and consider whether you want to take that risk. If you're not sure how your policy handles permissive drivers, check with us now. Give us a call, 734-282-8700, so it won't be an awkward phone call later. Have a good day.